months of this historic winter storm. We have a ton of ice. We have a ton of ice on the trees. You can see it's all icicles hanging. I don't want to get out there too close because we've already had a ton of branches start falling because it's really heavy. I was just woken up by, I just got woken up by the electricity flickering. And by the time I came out here, it had completely shut off, so it kind of begins now. This tree is really pretty. It's all iced over. All ice. As you can see, the field's completely iced over, and all of the trees already have tons and tons of ice on it. You can see the icicles. Let's see if you can see it. So, it's cool. So it's a good bit of ice. It looks so pretty on the trees though. But I'm not going to get too close to the big trees because we have branches falling already. We already had some branches falling. Watch out, baby. We have branches falling right here. There's a big one back there on the ground already. And then we have some falling up here as well. All these trees are crazy old, so I kind of figured that the weight of the ice would take them down along with electrical. So electricity is out, and we're just kind of scanning to make sure all of our exterior faucets are still running, dripping. You can see the birds over there. All the insects must be coming out like crazy because they're having a big buffet over there.
Probably worms.
So this is our winter storm update. We have trees falling back there. Lord, protect our fences, protect our house. Yeah, something fell back by that back fence. There's these big trees over here that are making all that noise. Just had that tree fall over there. And we just had that big branch fall right there. Ooh, Lord. Did it catch? I don't think so. Go from under, baby. Oh, that works. Starting a fire to keep the house warm so that the temperature doesn't drop too hard or too fast. That's it. Good job, baby. Connor's been waiting his whole life to start a fire. So this is our next update. We have had a ton of leaves falling, or tree stem branches. There you go. Sorry, I'm so tired. Falling over there. We have them. They're blocking all of our driveway right there, and we've had a ton fall at the entrance too. This stuff is still falling. The ice has gotten really thick, very thick. How long the ice cubes are right now, and it's still freezing. For freezing. Look at this tree. It's like a winter wonderland. The icicles. I was walking down the driveway because I have some important stuff I needed to get out of the mail to kind of help us get through this, and realized that we have a power line that's snapped right there. And then I was kind of just looking around to make sure I'm not going by any power lines, to see that this one right here is pulling from that one being pulled on. But then I start to walk and look at this and I'm like, wait, where are those from? We have an electrical line right here that snapped because of all of these branches pulling. You can see the line running through the trees right there on the ground. So we're gonna have power outage for a while because our lines on the house have been affected, or on the property have been affected. So we have a lot of branches falling from the weight of the ice. You can see right here, you can see how thick the icicles are getting right now. All you hear is cracking and trees falling over and everything. So it's about 12 o'clock right now, and we're already this much damage into the first day of the storm. So I'm just praying that it doesn't get much worse, because this is a lot for 3 hours of ice and snow. I mean, the temps have been dropping all night, but it didn't start snowing until about 5 this morning. So this is our next winter update of the chaos. So here we go. See right here that all of these branches are getting really heavy. These were not touching the ground at all before, not even really close. We could take our tractor and everything under this tree. So you can see right here, a lot of the branches are already starting to snap off, which sucks because this is an amazing tree. Amazing. We have a lot of tree snappage going on back there as well. So just kind of walking the property to see what's going on, making sure there's no structural damage to any of the buildings. So it's freezing. My fingertips are not doing well. This has had a lot of breakage too. Only thing I'm really worried about right now is these fences. I know they're easy to fix, but still all money coming out of our pocket. So it really feels a hell of a time. A hell of a time to make this move right before this storm, but still no regrets. Still pretty amazing. It's like a winter wonderland with the chaos, I guess you would call it, like all the trees. This is why those pine trees are falling so much, because every single pine is literally a weight. This is crazy. And then we have our little cemetery over here. Of course, that is a tree with a lot of ice on it. And I'm pretty sure it took down the whole right side of our fence. God, it's like I'm walking through a swamp. It's so wet. Let me see. It might just be bent. Oh no, it's just bent, but it's pretty. There's still a lot of damage right there. This is a big branch. You can hear the trees going down over there. Pretty intense. So loud. When I first heard it, I thought it was fireworks or electrical lines sparking, but it was just the cracking of the branches and the tree trunks. It's going down everywhere. But even through the chaos, there's still so much beauty. Making the most out of it. What are you guys doing? Roasting marshmallows?
Yeah. Oh, it's hot!
Oh, it burned already.
Mom, where's mine? Did I place it on there?
That's
No, I
mine.
need to burn it more.
Yeah, kill that food.
This is how we are entertaining ourselves.
The butt ate out of here. Kill that one.
One. I put one down.
You put a one down? We got snow. We got snow on the ground. You can see all the snow blowing.
Look. Is this snow?
Yep. We got snow. Stop it, you guys.
Why is frozen?
Okay, let's go inside, Mom.
Why is it?
This is our day two update. We had snow. Look at this. It's just completely, everything is iced over completely. We woke up to, it's just solid ice now. We got snow, but then it rained, which made all of the snow turn to ice. We have a lot more branch damage. This one tree is the one that seems to have taken the most damage overnight. Our pond over there has frozen. So that's interesting. And then we have all of those branches down over there as well. We still got tons of ice on the trees. So I'm thinking we're definitely gonna get more damage to that tree over there as well. has taken a lot of damage. This is what all the trees look like. Everything is covered in ice. Our fence is iced, and the pond, the top layer of the pond, has iced over. There's a little bit over there that's not, but it's definitely, everything's starting to freeze. We have trees falling back there nonstop. This is what all the fences look like right now. We just had a tree fall back there again. So, this is our day 2 update. That tree had a lot break off right there. Seems like that pine tree right there, that's falling a lot. Just had more trees fall. But the kids are all in good spirits. They want to come outside and play really bad in the snow, but it's not snow anymore because it rained. So Fanny has been the only kid outside helping me kind of manage all this. But everybody's still in good spirits. It's starting to get kind of cold in the house, so we'll probably bust out the tent to sleep in tonight in front of the fireplace. And yeah, hopefully we hear something from the electrical company today. I know some of my neighbors and stuff had to leave their house because they don't have a heater and take off the family's house. So thank God we have a fireplace to help kind of warm us up. But the kids said that they slept fine near the fireplace and it kept them warm all night. It was about 68 degrees in the house last night when we went to bed, but over the night it dropped a good amount. 61 right now in the house, so not horrible, not great, but we are still managing. We have a gas stove, so I'm still being able to warm up all of our food. That was one of the things I did ahead of time, was prepped a lot of meals, so all I had to do was warm it up because I knew our gas stove would still work. So luckily I'm not having to do any big cooking or anything. I'm just warming up food or warming up water for oatmeal or a cup of noodles or soups. So other than that, we're doing fine. So this is our day 2 check-in of this winter storm. And yeah, we're doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Loki's like, this is not it.
Mom.
Oh. Are you? Oh, it is starting to snow. Careful. All right, lead the way, Chin. Let's go. Follow brother. No running, walk. Hayden, walk. Roland. Roland. Just walk. And we got more snow. tree fell. Go to the side. Go around it, please. Go. Yep. You guys are getting too close to the tree. He's gonna pee. All right, you guys. Stop rolling. There's water under there. There's water under there.
This reminds me of Frozen. Mom.
Yeah, it does. So day 3 update. The cat just ran out. We had sunlight today, so we had a lot of meltage, which is really good. It was 19 degrees this morning, kind of cold. The in-house temperature is sitting around, what, 58, 60? So it's not terrible, but we're trying to save the wood for the evening when we know it's gonna get cold. So we're trying to make the most out of it. It's saying it's gonna be a couple more days before the electrical is back on. So now that yeah, yummy, eating snow. Now that, the camera's up front.
Oh.
Now that it has melted a little bit, the snow has kind of changed from ice to a little softer so the kids can play. So we're making the most out of it. And we're letting them play for a couple minutes before we're frozen and numb. And yeah, we haven't had any more trees fall. We still have the power line out, down. So we can't go anywhere because it's blocking the front entrance. But kids are all playing, staying safe, staying warm for the most part. Figured it's a bullet for the Nerf gun. They didn't get to play in the snow yesterday because it snowed at night while we were sleeping and then rained right after that during the night, making all of the snow solidify and turn into ice. So they couldn't play in it. So now that we have a little bit of the snow melting, I figured I'd let them come out because we haven't had a snow day. I don't think we came from California and we didn't really get snow. So never. So this is like their first official snow. Your little hands are red. Snow season. So I figured, you know what? Plead the blood and let them play for a little bit. So we'll have some, you slipped, we'll have some warm chicken noodle soup after this just to keep our body temps up. And yeah, so this is our day 3 check-in. Doing well, kids' spirits are high. I'm doing fine. Send help. But, so we'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I'll give you a big icicle. Roland, get here.
Roland,
Yeah. Roland,
let's use our brain. Stop. All the damage. The sun is making all the ice glisten. Day 4, no power, but everything is melting really well. So, squirrels are out playing. The kids thought it was raining because everything's melting off the trees. Looks beautiful. I am really thankful for some warmer weather. We need it. The house is down to about 54 degrees, and that's with the fireplace going. So this is just everything melting off. Everything's starting to fall. But we're doing good. Kids are still doing good. The sun feels amazing. The electric company is saying that they might not be able to be out here until Sunday. Today is currently Tuesday. So we're having fingers crossed that it will be sooner than that. Just at this point praying for the best. Me and the man are gonna go down to the front gate. Our neighbors blessed us with some more firewood. He's over it. Are you over it? Yes. So we'll keep you posted. Day 4. Over here doing the firewood. And it's just raining ice. Big pieces of ice. So we're gonna get in here and get out fast. Day 5 update. The sun is out. It feels amazing. Everything is melting really well. Even the pond is melted mostly. All the tree ice is gone. We have a couple small little patches of snow that are kind of shaded during the day, but the birds are out. Everything's singing again. It's beautiful. We still are down electricity and water, but we made a call to the electric company today. So we're hoping that that will be fixed soon. If not, we're still doing really good on supplies and everything. We're just trapped on the property, so that kind of sucks. But school is supposed to resume for my high schooler tomorrow, but because we're trapped, he won't be able to make it. But yeah, but it's still a beautiful day. Still counting our blessings, knowing that we are still blessed through this whole situation. I haven't heard many trees falling at all today, so that's good. We were able to bring the vehicles out of the garage, so that's good. So everything is kind of going back to normal. We're just waiting on the electric company and the water company to... Good morning, everybody. Today is day 6 of no power, no water. And I am drained. The last 5 days have been tough, but we were able to kind of keep our spirits up, but I think we're all kind of losing it now, and I'm kind of over it. I'm sure a lot of people are though. So still waiting for the electric company to come set us free. We are completely trapped on our property until they come and remove these wires that are laying across the fence. I don't know if they're active or not, but I'm not going to take the chance and touch them. So it is currently just a sitting game until we can have them come and remove those. So starting to feel a little hopeless today. It's been a long road to get to day 6. But we're here. We're still staying warm, still trying to stay positive. And yeah, that's kind of the only update I have.